Why buy expensive plant pots when you can make one yourself from an old sheet of metal in just a few simple steps? Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you a practical, cost-saving way to turn scrap metal into a strong, durable flower planter. It's easy to build, made to last, and deserves a place in your garden. Follow along and see how simple it is to do this at home. We start with the metal sheet. Take a piece of old roofing metal and roll it into a circular shape. The natural curves in the metal create subtle waves along the surface, giving the planter a more refined look once it's finished. From here, we move to the core. Take an old plastic container and fill it with sand. Press the sand down firmly. Compact it until it holds its shape. This block defines the inner space of the planter. So take your time here. The tighter the sand, the better the structure. Once it feels solid, flip the container upside down and slowly lift it away. The sand stays behind, forming a clean, stable block. Place the metal mold around the sand core. Adjust the position so the spacing stays even all the way around. Then use hot glue to seal the edges. This prevents the mold from shifting and keeps the cement from leaking out. Next, prepare the base mixture. Take cement and sand. Combine them in a ratio of 2 parts sand to 1 part cement. Mix them dry first until the color looks uniform. This ensures the materials are evenly distributed before adding any liquid. If you've tried something similar or have your own useful technique, post it in the comments so others can use it too. At this stage, we improve the mixture. Take white glue and dissolve it in water. White glue dissolves easily in water, making it simple to blend into a cement mix. When used as an additive, it improves bonding strength, reduces surface cracking, and helps the mixture hold together more evenly, resulting in a smoother, stronger, and more durable finish overall. Then pour that solution into the dry mix. Add a bit more water as needed and begin mixing thoroughly. Keep mixing until the texture becomes smooth and workable. Not too dry, not too runny. Once the mixture is ready, begin filling the space between the sand core and the metal mold. Pour it slowly and guide it into place. Make sure it reaches all sides evenly. Make the mixture slightly fluid so it flows evenly into the mold, leaving no empty gaps. Then, take a paper tube and insert it vertically into the sand core. This creates a drainage hole, which is essential for any planter. After placing the tube, add more mixture around it to secure its position. Tap gently along the metal surface. This helps the cement settle and removes trapped air. Then smooth the top edge using a flat tool or your hand, keeping the surface level and clean. At this point, leave it to set for about 30 minutes. The mixture will begin to firm up, making it ready for the next step. After the surface stiffens slightly, we move to building the base. Take another piece of metal and roll it into a smaller ring. Place it on top of the semi-set surface. This will form the base support. Then position 3 plastic bottles evenly around it. These act as temporary legs, holding the structure in place while we fill the remaining space. Pour more cement mixture into the ring, filling it completely. Tap lightly again to ensure even distribution. Then leave the entire structure undisturbed for about 24 hours. This is where patience matters. A full cure gives the planter its strength. While waiting, we create a quick alternative. Take an old plastic container and mark a section to cut. Remove one side to form an opening. Then drill several holes on the bottom for drainage. After drilling the holes, break the styrofoam into small pieces and place it inside the container. The foam keeps the soil from compacting too tightly, allowing water and air to move more freely through the pot. Then add soil on top and plant your flowers or plants as usual. In just a few minutes, you have a simple DIY planter ready to use. It's quick, practical, and completely free, made entirely from an old plastic container that would otherwise be thrown away. Once the cement has fully set, return to the main piece. Begin removing the outer metal mold carefully. Peel it away without forcing it. Then take out the plastic bottles and remove the paper tube. You'll see the drainage hole clearly formed. Use a tool to carve small channels around it. This helps water flow out more easily and prevents pooling. If we look at the process as a whole, each step builds on the previous one. The sand defines the space. The mold shapes the form. The mixture creates the structure. And the finishing adds protection and style. Turn the planter over and start removing the sand from inside. Scoop it out gradually until the interior is clean. After that, leave the planter to dry further for several hours, allowing any remaining moisture to evaporate completely. At this point, the structure is solid, but the surface still looks raw, so we move to finishing. Take a spray paint and apply an even base coat around the entire planter. Keep the distance consistent and build the color gradually. This layer protects the surface and gives it a clean appearance. After the base coat dries, prepare a small amount of red paint in a cup. Dip a small brush into it and begin adding decorative dots across the surface. Place them evenly, spacing them out to create a balanced pattern. This step adds character, turning a simple structure into something more visually appealing. Step back and look at the result. The surface shows subtle curves from the metal mold. The shape feels solid, and the finish looks clean and controlled. What started as a piece of scrap metal has turned into a durable planter that can handle outdoor conditions. This method focuses on structure first, then adds finish, giving you something that not only looks good, but lasts longer. If you try this yourself, work steadily, keep your measurements consistent, and give the material enough time to cure. Small details like alignment and mixture balance make a difference in the final result. Once you understand the process, you can adjust the size, shape, and design to match your own needs. Stay with the channel. We'll keep turning simple materials into practical builds you can use in your own workshop.